Hey everyone, the video you're about to watch is another opportunity to win this lightsaber. This is our viewer choice mix and match lightsaber where you, the viewer, chose the pieces for the lightsaber and now you have a chance to win it. We're going to give it away at 500 subscribers and all you have to do is to subscribe, make your subscriptions public, and like and comment on this video for a chance to win. Good luck everyone. Hey everyone, Theme Park DNA here. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to make sure your YouTube subscriptions are set to public. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go up to the right hand corner on the icon and click there on your avatar, and you're going to go down to settings. Alright, once you're in settings, go over to the privacy tab on the left hand side. And then you're going to go down to the second option where it says keep all my subscriptions private. So if it's clicked on, then your subscriptions will be set to private and I won't see if you're subscribed to me. And with the blue button turned off, now it's set to public. And that's it. That's how you make sure your subscriptions are set to public. That's going to do it for today, guys. Thanks so much for what you're doing, and I'll see you in the next video.